It's a little chilly out there today.
Windy. It's a little breezy.
It's going to be breezy. This weekend there's some rain, but tomorrow morning will be dry. The second half of Sunday will be dry, so plenty of dry times here. Temperature right now in Boston is not too bad, right? 40 degrees, but the wind is gusty out there. 40 in Lawrence as well. A lot of us running in the mid to upper 30s in the suburbs. 41 in Chatham right now, 39 in Falmouth. But here are the current wind gusts between 25 and 35 miles per hour in spots. So that's going to add a little bit of a chill to the air that will be with us through the day today. The current wind chill in Boston is 31. Feels like 24 in Worcester right now, so that's what you want to dress for as you head out the door this morning. A few scattered clouds through the interior, a couple high, thin clouds from Boston down through the South Shore and Outer Cape. Otherwise, though, you want to grab the shades, too. It will be a bright day overall with high pressure building in from the south and west. So a northwest wind today will gust at times to 35 miles per hour. That's kind of what we have in place right now this morning. That wind will subside tonight. And tomorrow, temperatures are going to be in the 20s when you wake up tomorrow morning. Chilly start to the day. Sunshine to start, too, before the clouds roll in. I think a lot of tomorrow morning to early afternoon is dry with some showers arriving 3 to 5 p.m. and then some steadier rain overnight into Sunday morning before clearing comes in quickly after that. It will be windy Saturday night into Sunday. That wind shifting around out of the southwest to the northwest may cause some isolated pockets of damage. So let's zoom in a little bit closer here for your weekend. Notice by 9, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, the clouds went out. 3 to 5 p.m., that's when showers arrive. So the morning to early afternoon is dry for any plans you may have. Tomorrow evening and night, though, we get some steadier downpours that roll in right around midnight. Sunday morning, you're an early riser, 6 a.m., areas of rain. 8 o'clock, areas of rain. 9 o'clock, eastern Massachusetts, seeing the last of the rain push through. By 10, 11 o'clock, quick clearing comes in after that. So the sun will break out on Sunday. It's just going to be a wet start in the morning. Let's take you through some of the numbers for the weekend, too. Today, 40s. The wind chill will be in the 30s, though. Tonight, that wind subsides. Partly cloudy, 20s in the suburbs, 31 in downtown Boston. Tomorrow, we actually will be up around 50 degrees in the city. Upper 40s north of town, Bedford, Lawrence at 49 tomorrow, 46 in Manchester, 50 to 55 for the South Shore back down to the Cape for our Saturday. Again, shower activity arriving mid to late afternoon. Sunday will actually be kind of mild. Most of us will be in the mid to upper 50s, slightly above average for this time of the year. We may touch 60 on the Cape. The wind may gust 40 to 50 miles per hour in spots on Sunday out of the southwest and then shifting around out of the northwest later in the day as that front comes through. That ushers in some colder air to start next week. Upper 30s for highs on Monday. Notice the forecast, though. Pretty quiet right on through Thanksgiving. The dancing turkey has made it on the 7-day forecast. 50s again on Tuesday. Cooling off for Wednesday, but we should be dry. There may be a shower on the Cape. And then Thanksgiving Day itself looks bright, but looks a little chilly with highs in the low 40s. Chris?